Welcome to another Simple Dad Snapchat tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to reverse a video on Snapchat. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can let me know if this video is helpful or not. You can do this by hitting the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. So reversing a video is as easy as applying a filter to it. You can do this on both iOS and Android versions of the app. So let me show you how to do this. First, open up your Snapchat app. Now record a new video in the app by tapping and holding the record button. Your video must be less than 10 seconds for the reverse filter to be applied. Now swipe left 8 times until you see the reverse icon. Once you select that, it will apply the reverse video filter on your video. This will automatically play your video in reverse as a preview. Any sound in the video will also play in reverse. After this, you can add more effects, text, music, and then send it off to your friends. And that is how to reverse a video on Snapchat. If this video gave you any value, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.